Today I'm here at Apple picking up my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing with y'all. So the line moved pretty fast. I'm back home, ready to unbox. I've never done a phone unboxing, so this is exciting. I ended up picking the gold because my 12 Pro Max is the white and silver, but honestly, it looks very similar to my 12 Pro Max. I'm actually gonna compare them. I didn't want the purple because it looked ugly in the store, and I didn't want black, so it's okay. I didn't really care too much about it because I put cases on them, so it doesn't really matter how the color looks, honestly. But yeah, that's that. You know what? I guess there is a difference. When I took it out the box, I couldn't really tell, but putting them side by side, there definitely is a difference. But if somebody was to see it without them beside each other, to me it looked white. I'm not even gonna lie. But that's that. Try not to mess with it so much flipping it around because I don't have my screen protector or case yet. So it looks turned on. Definitely more screen. Because you know the other phone, it would have stopped like right there. You know, you got a quick start, set up manually. I gotta put the Wi-Fi in, so give me a second. So I've been running around all day, and now I can finally finish this video. I've been looking for a phone case, and I had to get my phone activated because I couldn't do it on my own for some reason. So let me unlock it so you can see some stuff. I love how you can put these widgets on here now. I know it was in a new update, but I feel like this phone has more widgets, even games with the Dynamic Island. I'm gonna show you a game I just downloaded. You know, you gotta hit the ball, blah, blah, blah. There's a few more games I heard, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out this little Dynamic Island thing. It does the music. Let's just pick on something. So I had to mute the song that I played, of course, because y'all know YouTube's copyright terms. But yeah, that's what it does when you pick a song. Another thing the Dynamic Island does is you plug your charger in. So this is how you get to the widgets. And you can find everything here. They have all kinds of stuff. Facebook has like 4 or 5 different widgets. Let me show you. can do your top updates, you can do the stories, you can do that Facebook video watch, any of that kind of stuff. And then if you don't see something there, you can search here for a widget. You hold down if you want to switch your screen. You can pick whatever or make your own, whatever you want to do. Wallpaper, colors, and everything. So it's very nice. I like it a lot. So I'm in my garage using my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is what my car looks like in low lighting. I'm not using flash or anything. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like using my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this is using my 12 Pro Max. Anyways, that's all I have for y'all for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.